Greetings and welcome to the Astronomy Picture of the Day podcast. Today's picture for December 2nd of 2025 is titled M77, Spiral Galaxy with an Active Center. So, what do we see here? Well, here we see what might look like an ordinary spiral galaxy with the central core and spiral arms swirling out from it. And we can see the bluish color associated with star clusters which have formed recently in the spiral arms, as well as the pinkish red glow of hydrogen gas excited by those hot stars. However, what's different about this is that the central part of this galaxy is a little more energetic than the typical spiral galaxy, and it's what is known as a Seyfert galaxy. Now, Seyfert galaxies are a class of spiral galaxies with an unusually active core. So the core is brighter than you might expect, and it's also different in that it glows bright in a lot of different wavelengths, not just visible light, but X-rays and radio wavelengths as well, just to name a few. And that is the sign of what is known as an active galaxy. An active galaxy will be brighter than an ordinary galaxy, especially at the core, and will emit light that is not from just stars, which is typically visible light. Now, Seyfert galaxy is one example of an active galaxy, and all active galaxies are related in general in that they are tied into what's going on at the central core, and that would be the supermassive black hole there. So an active galaxy differs from an ordinary galaxy in that the black hole is being fed. It is collecting material, and that is where all the energy is coming from. So not just from the stars and the spiral arms and star formation there, but from material spiraling into a black hole. And as it spirals in, it collects in a disk around the hole and then energizes itself. So as it spins through friction, it will heat up to extremely high temperatures and give off things like X-rays because of that. And that is the other sign of an active galaxy, is that it gives off different types of light, especially things like X-rays and radio waves, which are not given off in large amounts by stars. Yes, things like our sun can be detected in X-rays and radio waves, mainly because it's so close to us that we can detect those. However, other ones would not be able to be detected easily, so the fact that this galaxy puts out a lot of that type of light means that there's something unusual going on down at the core. And we find supermassive black holes at the center of all large galaxies and many small galaxies as well. So it's a very common process that forms these as the material is condensed closer and closer in the center. That a black hole will naturally form when you get enough material close enough together and give us things like an active galaxy such as the one we see today. So that was our picture of the day for December 2nd of 2025. It was titled M77, Spiral Galaxy with an Active Center. We'll be back again tomorrow for the next picture, previewed to be Black Hole Trip. So we'll see what that is about tomorrow. And until then, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.